New Orleans homeowners face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining comfort and protecting their homes. With high humidity, frequent rain, and intense summer heat, windows play a critical role in how well a home performs. If your current windows are outdated or underperforming, upgrading to replacement windows can be one of the smartest investments you make. Beyond improving appearance, modern windows offer long-term benefits that enhance comfort, efficiency, and overall home value. One of the biggest reasons to consider replacement windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. In New Orleans' hot and humid climate, this means your air conditioning system has to work harder to keep your home cool. Modern replacement windows are designed with insulated frames, multi-pane glass, and advanced coatings that reduce heat transfer. This helps keep cool air inside and hot air outside, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home. Another important benefit is better moisture protection. New Orleans experiences frequent rain and high humidity levels, which can take a toll on older windows. Poorly sealed or deteriorating windows may allow water to seep in, leading to damage such as mold, mildew, or wood rot. Replacement windows are built with improved sealing systems and moisture-resistant materials that help keep water out and protect the structure of your home. Comfort is also greatly enhanced with new windows. Drafts, hot spots, and uneven temperatures are common issues with aging windows. Replacement windows provide a tighter seal and better insulation, creating a more stable indoor environment. This means fewer temperature fluctuations and a more enjoyable living space year-round. Durability is another key advantage. Modern replacement windows are made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. These materials resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, making them ideal for New Orleans' climate. Unlike older wood windows that may require frequent maintenance, newer options are built for long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Noise reduction is an often overlooked benefit of replacement windows. In a lively city like New Orleans, outside noise can sometimes disrupt indoor comfort. Multi-pane glass and improved sealing help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment. Replacement windows also offer a noticeable boost in curb appeal. Windows are a major part of your home's exterior, and outdated or worn designs can detract from its overall appearance. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, modern windows can be customized to match your home's architecture. Whether you're preserving a classic New Orleans look or updating to a more contemporary style, new windows can enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. Another long-term benefit is increased property value. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes with updated, energy-efficient features. Replacement windows signal that a home has been well maintained and is more cost-effective to operate. This can make your property more attractive in the market and potentially lead to a higher resale value. Proper installation is essential to fully enjoy these benefits. Even the best windows will not perform well if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance. This helps prevent issues such as air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced efficiency. Maintenance is also easier with replacement windows. Modern designs are built for convenience, often featuring materials that do not require painting or frequent repairs. Simple cleaning and occasional inspections are usually enough to keep them in excellent condition. In conclusion, replacement windows are a smart upgrade for New Orleans homes because they address the specific challenges of the local climate while improving overall comfort and efficiency. From reducing energy costs and protecting against moisture to enhancing durability and curb appeal, the benefits are both immediate and long-lasting. With the right materials and professional installation, replacement windows provide a valuable investment that improves the quality, performance, and appearance of your home for years to come.